Here I have HP Slate 6, and let me show you how to use here the secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the phone's dialer and let's activate this first secret code. So let me open the Android testing menu by using *pound *pound 4636 #*#. And as you can see, the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can use the following menu. So you can, for example, tap the phone information, and here you've got access to email info, phone number, current network, signal strength. You can also here run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, or enable data connection. Let's go back. Right here by using the back key, let's open the battery information, and here you can use the battery level, battery scale, battery health, or the battery temperature. Use back key again and let's open user statistics. So here you can use the following list of apps and you can see the counter and the usage time. Use back key again and let's open the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API and you may here disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. Here you can also use the Wi-Fi config and see that you can read here the configured networks of your device. Use back key again. You can also here tap Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh your stats or run a ping test. Use back key one more time. And here we've got also Marvel testing if you would like to, and you can, for example, use the GPS, power settings, FM radio, and other stuff. So if you would like to quit this mode, let's use the back key. And now it's time to open the calendar info. So let's use *pound 225 ***. And as you can see, the calendar info just pops up. Here you can read the following information such as contacts, events, and other stuff. Let's go back. Now let's open the Google Play service. So let's use *pound 759 ***. As you can see, Google Play service pops up, but this time I just opened the debug UI. So as you can see, debug UI, this is another secret menu that you can use. So here you can use the OEM mode, view clients IDs, and read other stuff. But as I said, you can also open the Google Play service, but you have to use this code *pound 426 ***. And as you can see, the Google Play service just pops up. So here you can read ping, connect, disconnect, events, or other stuff. Alright, let's use the back key, and this time let me show you how to check email number on this device. Let's simply use the *pound 06 #. The email info just pops up in front of you, so basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.